All right, well, we're back. It's been a while, but we're back. Different cars, different shenanigans. Same person though. So tap in. We got a star job that we're about to do right now. I did some cruising earlier. I don't know if I really got much video of that, but we'll see. Maybe smoke a blunt, take some dabs, bullshit our way through the day. Stay tuned. God dang. I need to clean this place out. I got bored and threw everything in the corner the other day. But anywho, we are back. Today's mission: timing belt or timing chain and guides on this big thing. Well, we're gonna get started on it. Stock wheels for the Tag. This thing is a mission to fucking work on. But we're good. Getting some of this shit out of the way so we can start. Making some more room. Just get the fan shroud off now. We're golden. Yeah, well, I'll tell you what. It's hotter than Satan's left nut out here. Today it is, boys. I ran out of beer. We have issues. It's hot as hell. Oh, homie's calling me. It was a gourd that I want. The Taggy. Bro, it's hot. Just to go get some fucking Black and Milds. I'm over here. Death. Hold up, let me see what this man want. Oh. Well, hopefully I want nothing. Some H2O from the G-Raj. About to go watch some Netflix or something till the sun goes away. Cause boy, shit got me out here melting. It ain't it. Hopefully get into some activities though here in a bit. We'll see. Just sat down and then now I'm leaving again. Gonna go chill with the homies. Homie's taking his motor out. Go see what kind of activities we can get ourselves into. And I don't know about being in this heat though. I know I keep saying that, but bro, y'all don't know. It be hot as hell in that motherfucker. And it's just starting. Skedaddle over there. No AC. It's like 100 degrees outside. It's not it. A little breeze, but the breeze is hot as hell. Man, I just got here too. Ate that about box of chocolate stuff. Getting the taggers right quick. Oh, okay. Mark, you home? Sir, I'm not. I am leaving. Trying to get in motion. Bro, come on. They better have some food or something over here. No cap, no cap. Yeah, boy. Still hungry, you know? Even though I just had my breakfast. Sometimes I gotta be a little quiet when I pass through here. Got the police on the block and shit. Homie lives right here. Team needs me? Shut up. There you now. Gotta slide through them one, there. What the hell y'all doing?
What's up?
Chillin'. What the fuck? This fool bought another piece of shit. Fucking gordo. Let's go to the tree, dog. Fucking motherfuckers. Bro, it's hot, dog. I just got back to the patio. I was driving around. You guys are doing great.
Thanks for the help and support, Dad.
You got it. I'm here for moral support, dog. Moral, emotional.
That's the one I was struggling with too. Yo iba a quitar el pinche todo el puto sensor, güey, pero it's like if it has an O-ring, güey, no lo quiero quitar si tiene O-ring porque se puede tirar.
You guys know what you're doing? No, look at look at somebody get smashed. I'm not helping nobody. I'm leaving.
I'm leaving, you fucking dick.
I think we should.
I'll call the paramedics when I get home.
What I think we should do is.
Sell it.
¿Esto se sale?
Yeah, I want to pull the motor and everything forward.
Oh, Caesar salads. Fuck with those.
Should I get
Or did
it?
you just want me to jack it up and we shove some of
Change? Yeah, I've never, so you look, I've never taken one out.
Yeah, see, I knew y'all didn't know what the fuck you were doing.
I do.
Yeah, man,
De este lado lo vas a agarrar de...
Usually you grab it from the head.
no, you don't.
What are you doing?
We're recording for my OnlyFans.
O aquí. Depends on which one you want to get it from.
Try to.
Okay, that's one side.
Ah, chévere, ¿y tiene
Bro.
los tiburones atrás?
Fucking team needs me. Hey, you need some change?
For a little strange?
Yes, sir. Make it holler for $1.
What's going on?
Oh, this shit gonna fall.
No.
Yeah.
Bro, te voy a comprar un pinche martillo, güey.
It's hitting the oil filter, though.
No.
I don't know how you invite me over here. Ain't got no beer, no food, no marijuana.
You think
That
this?
makes you hurt to get paid after the job's done?
We
I'm
take
charging.
this shit out. We'll go.
I'm charging. Shit, I'm charging. I don't go nowhere for free, dog.
That's not true.
That's true.